as Donald Trump prepares to take the stand in a civil trial that could destroy his business empire. The former president and his lawyers have settled on a strategy built on spite and unbridled hostility. The former president and his lawyers are deliberately trying to provoke the judge into overreacting on a nuclear level, according to two sources familiar with the matter and another person briefed on Team Trump's legal strategies. Inviting that kind of response could even lead the judge to order Trump sent to a jail cell for the night. The judge in the case had already ordered Trump not to speak, warning him to refrain from attacking the judge's staff. Late last week, the order was expanded to include Trump's lawyers. Trump has still demonstrated his brazen willingness to violate this rule repeatedly. As strange as it sounds, Trump's lawyers and political advisors have told the former president that so-called arrest warrant that would detain him for repeatedly violating a judge's orders could be a good thing, both legally and politically. The former president's legal advisors long ago told Trump that his chances of winning at trial were slim to none. Hence the scorched earth, Fire Festival style courtroom performances. According to three sources, several Trump lawyers and other key allies advised him that more the New York judge supposedly overreacted, better his appeals would be. I call it Chicago 7 disruption strategy. Alan Dershowitz, the famous lawyer who defended then-President Trump during first impeachment, tells Rolling Stone, when a defendant truly believes that it is not possible to get a fair trial from the judge, one tactic is to get the judge angry enough cause reversible errors, says Dershowitz. That's what happened Chicago 7 case. And I was one of the lawyers who participated in appeal that case. Abby Hoffman provoked Judge Hoffman to such an extent that the judge made mistake after mistake. And appellate courts often overturn convictions or verdicts if the judge made serious mistakes. Editor's picks in recent weeks. Former president and some his lawyers in New York civil case have discussed possibility of Judge Arthur Engoron responding too aggressively to Trump team's strategy, relentless hostility and defiance. Tactics include attacks on Engoron's court clerk, baiting prosecution witnesses with repetitive questions, and advancing legal arguments that the judge had already specifically prohibited. This includes Trump asking his legal advisors if the judge would go so far as to briefly send him to prison. Sources told Rolling Stone, Trump was told that such an order was probably unlikely. But Engoron clearly put that option on the table. That's one reason why Trump and his advisors are continuing their brazen strategy to infuriate a judge who openly threatened the former president with prison time. His legal team also assured Trump that even if he were arrested, they could employ a variety of legal tactics to prevent him